How you doing, man?
Good, how about yourself?
Good.
You guys buying?
Buying some stuff, yeah. Let me see. What do you got? Oh, the 10. Wow. Are you looking to trade at all?
I would be interested in cash and trade.
Okay.
Or straight trade for just, you guys have a lot of stuff, so.
I do have a lot of stuff. Do you want to look through for, what percentage are you looking to get on this? Have you walked it yet or no?
I've walked it.
Okay.
To be honest, I'm not eager to sell it.
Okay.
But I'm definitely.
I got this, I just got in. It's in a 9, but like the 10's a crazy price.
10's are crazy.
That one's sick.
I was looking at a full set of this. It's
Dude, it's fire. I would trade the 9 towards like that, if depending on what percentage we can agree on this. It's a fire. I literally just got it. I traded out Bubble Mew 9 and a Gengar first edition, not Shadowless, because Fossil.
Yeah.
And then he gave me some cash on top.
This is sick.
And he sent me that, yeah. It's a cool card. So yeah, that might be a cool contender if you're looking for another card. Let me see.
I definitely am looking for another card.
Let me see what this is at.
This is doing like, everybody has a sticker at 221. It's doing
Okay.
1950. I'm not going to lie to you.
Okay.
It was doing 2
Yeah.
or 4, none of that.
Okay.
It's doing 1950.
What would you be looking to get trade value for it? Like how much do you want trade value?
I'd want strong, but if it was cash, wiggle room.
Like would you take 80% cash? If it was cash, no. So that's too low.
I've had that offer a few times already.
Okay, so 80% you've had.
Yeah.
What would you be at for cash? 85?
I would think about it then. I would
Okay.
definitely think about it. That'd probably be the highest I've been offered cash-wise.
Okay, cash 85.
And then a couple people were willing to trade 100% trade.
Okay.
Depending on, depending on what it is.
Depending on what it is, yeah.
Some things are equal.
This is a cool one. Yeah, and I haven't had this card before, so like I for sure would be down to do trade towards it. I would say like, I would maybe buy, let me see. Let me look at it first. To see if I have a cash offer.
Find your comp area that you want.
Yeah, let's see. I guess it would be depending on the item. Like I'd maybe be down to trade for it at 90%. Like you trade.
Yeah, hell yeah. I'm open to that. Because I know you gotta have room to make money.
Yeah, I gotta have some room. And it's a great card. Yeah. You wanna look around at some stuff and see what you're thinking?
Can I look at Gyarados?
The Gyarados?
And then the Mewtwo.
Oh, breaking my heart with the Gyarados.
I'm definitely a Mewtwo fan.
Oh, which Mewtwo? That's in Rivals? Yeah, this one's so fire. This is gonna be one of those cards that fucking pumps too, because it's held strong as shit, and it's not easy to pull, bro. Like, it's not like the pop is growing like crazy. It's hard to pull.
Yeah, it's not. I like this.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah.
It looks hella clean.
Oh, where's the Munch at?
The Munch?
Hey,
where's the Munch at?
Where's the Munch? Yo, did that guy just right behind grab the Munch? Am I tripping?
Hell no, he didn't grab the Munch.
Oh, it's right here.
It's right here.
Oh, fucking bro. I saw that dude in the corner. Yeah. Nah, that's on me though. Hey.
Put that shit back. I'm gonna pass on that. Just
are you sure?
I want you to keep this because that shit fucked me up.
No, this is okay. Yeah.
This is clean. This one's.
I got so scared, dude.
Yeah, that fucked me up right now.
Hey, because the motherfuckers that do that are fast, bro. They're fast as shit.
Are you buying?
You're gone.
That fucked me up.
That fucked me up too.
Look, I've been here all day. I've been standing at people's booths that I want to talk to 5-10 minutes waiting for whoever they're dealing with because I want something here or whatever.
Yeah.
If you want something from them, you're gonna wait.
Yeah.
I'm good.
I got this too. That's cool. Beckett 9 Pikachu Zekrom. I don't know if you saw it. Here, I'll pull them out. This one's a vibe. I'd be down for like trade that because I'm kind of trying to get an idea of the things you like. But yeah, I'm definitely open to trading. Like in which you said you lean this more than the Munch.
I like
as far as like your core card.
To be honest, this is something that I want.
So fire. Yeah.
This is something that if I could get it and it makes sense, I would get it.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Sometimes the decisions.
So pop this one back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pop that one back.
Pop that one back.
Sure.
The Munch.
This one too.
Okay, this one too. Put it back?
I don't like
okay. I was just thinking it could get us closer to... Okay. It could be a crack regrade. Centering 10.
The back's dirty. The back's...
Let me see. Oh, that's coming off. Because I bought it. I didn't grade it. See that? That's just sitting there. That's like a spec.
Oh, wow.
That's like... And Beckett's done... You know, Beckett has put hairs in my shit when I graded it with them. It's just in the slab. Yeah, it's not crazy. Yeah, this stuff can come off. Bro, even that. Look at that.
Yeah.
That can come off. I might have to crack this shit. But open to it. Let me put them back.
The value.
Yeah. So like what I would be at trade-wise value, let me see. If we were gonna do a 90% trade times, we had 1950, I would be like trade value 1755, and that would be at 90.
All right. I think I could probably fuck with that.
Okay, cool.
Is it doing 1.1 or is it doing?
Let's look.
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's look. Yeah, I definitely want everything to be fair, you know? Let's see.
That's sick too.
Which one?
This one?
Yeah, that one, bro. That one's so clean. That one's so clean. If I trade that one, I'll let the guard fly with it too. It's all good. You want to see it?
No.
Okay.
No,
All right, let's see.
I'm gonna start pulling money out of my pocket. I don't want to do that right now. I'm not here for that.
Yeah.
Right? He's like,
This
yeah,
one,
that's
this
what I
one
want
like
to have
does
now.
pretty strong 1,000. Most recent's 11 or 1050. That's why I did it there.
Okay.
I could comp value at 1050. Like we can dock it down like 50 bucks, so that way you have a little more room. Okay.
That's fine.
1050. Cool.
1050 off the 1750.
1050 off the 1750.
So that leaves me
Let me
with
see.
7 straight.
Yes, sir. Minus 1050 equals 705. Cool. Yeah, so we have like 705 left. Can I look at the carb?
Yeah.
Look at this. Let's see. Let me look around for other stuff too. Oh, hey, Destin Rivals. There's that. Nah, okay. Okay. No, I'm thinking to add on, like, because you have 700 left.
Yeah, the only Destin Rivals other card I like is the Moltres.
I have a 9 in the Moltres. Or no, a raw. I have a raw. You can put that towards it if you want.
Oh, you got raw cards too, huh?
Yeah, I have a raw. That's a whole nother ball game. Some of these are gradable too.
Are they?
Yeah, because
Can I check out some
like,
of them?
yeah, of course. Just let me know when you see ones you like. We'll pull the bangers out. I have a raw one of this Dragonite if you want to see it.
Yeah, can I see?
It's a $400 card here. Because, yeah, you got 705, so you could do a banger raw card. We can check prices, too, and make sure it's all, like, you know.
I'm debating one of these.
Oh, let me
I
see.
have to make the cash difference on here. Or, matter of fact, do you have room on this one?
Let me check. That one, you know what? That one I could do 1K. 1K flat.
I will put 300 on top.
Yeah. Would you want to do those two instead? Oh, double Mewtwo's? Ah, he might clean out my
I think I
Mewtwo's,
got
man.
double the Mewtwo.
I think that's the move. I think you should do that.
Yeah, I think I got double the
Let's do it. Let's go, dude. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. So going out, my babies graded this one myself. We got the tag team too. We're also taking in 300 cash, and we're getting a nice grail, man. We're getting the Magikarp in the 10, baby. Come on. What was your name again?
Danny.
Daniel. Good to meet you, man.
Yep, thank you.
What a deal. Let me take a pic of this.
Hell yeah, I need to get a pic too.
Yeah, absolutely. Here. So, all right. I'm taking in the cart. I'm taking in, and then I'm getting 300 cash.
Sick, man.
Yeah.
That's on those though.
Wow. Yeah, these are cool. Oh, I'm gonna miss these. I'm excited for you though. Let me see.
Did you tell him the lore about that?
I ripped this at a stoplight, bro. I was driving and I'm like,
Oh my God.
bro, on some DGen shit. So and
you did it?
and I tend, bro. I pull up to the light and I had 2 packs from Target in Woodland Hills. I was like, I can't wait till I'm home. Let me rip this shit. I literally go like this, spread it,
No fucking way.
pulled over, called the homie. I had no sleep. I had to drive home with it, just sitting there, hoping it didn't like fall, bro.
Ooh, this
And
is dope.
I got the 10, man.
He gemmed it in the car.
Gemmed it in the motherfucker on my lap, bro.
Gemmed it in the car.
On my lap, dude. It was crazy. I had a 30-minute drive, no sleep, bro.
That's dope.
Oh man, dude, appreciate you, man. Oh, picture, sorry.
Yeah.
All right, so going out, coming in. So sick.